Hi, this is Teacher Fikri, and today I'm going to teach you on how to play with this activity, bounce and catch medium-sized ball with creating gestural prompt. So, as you may or may not know, prompting means to guide or to assist. How can you parents assist your kids to do the bouncing and catching medium-sized ball with gestural prompt? This is for the kids that has the skill, but sometimes lacking in terms of timing. Maybe for example, alright, let's do bounce and catch, but they take maybe more than 10 seconds to initiate, so they need some tapping or bounce, catch, or they need some encouragement by tapping elbow to ready to catch ball. Sometimes timing plays an important role. So gesture prompt helps in terms of to make the timing more precise.